Nose blackheads removal satisfying deep pore cleaning transformation. There's something satisfying about watching clogged pores clear, the slow extraction, the visible transformation, and the smooth skin underneath. Today's treatment features nose blackheads removal with a satisfying deep pore cleaning transformation, a calm process with noticeable results. Why blackheads form? Blackheads form when pores become blocked with excess oil and dead skin cells. As air reaches the surface, the buildup oxidizes and darkens in color. The nose is especially vulnerable because of increased oil production. The texture problem, even small blackheads, can affect overall skin texture. Over time, pores begin to appear rougher, larger, more uneven. Step 1. Gentle cleansing. We begin with a surface cleanse to remove excess oil and prepare the skin. Step 2. Steam preparation. Warm steam softens the buildup inside the pores. This makes extraction smoother and more controlled. Step 3. Controlled extraction. Extraction begins carefully, one pore at a time. Blackheads start to release from beneath the surface. Step 4. Satisfying cleaning flow. As more pores are cleared, the process becomes increasingly satisfying. A smooth rhythm develops with each extraction. Step 5. Deep pore refinement. The remaining buildup is removed to fully clear the pores. The skin starts to appear cleaner, smoother, more refined. Step 6. Skin recovery. A soothing treatment is applied to calm the skin after extraction. Redness begins to fade as the skin settles. Final results: before, clogged pores and rough texture; after, clean pores and smoother skin. A satisfying deep pore cleaning transformation. Final message: sometimes the most satisfying transformations come from the smallest details. Clean pores can completely change the look and feel of the skin. If you enjoyed this satisfying skincare transformation, make sure to like, subscribe, and check back for more deep pore cleaning videos.